Have you ever walked into a room and felt invisible? Or maybe you wanted to make a memorable impression on someone, but you weren't sure how. The truth is, standing out isn't about being loud or demanding attention. It's about presence. So how do you highlight your presence in a way that feels authentic and leaves a lasting impact? Today, we'll cover 5 simple, effective steps to make your presence known without saying a word. Start with the foundation of presence, self-confidence. Real presence comes from a deep-seated confidence in who you are. People can sense when you're comfortable in your own skin, and that naturally draws them to you. Stand tall, keep your posture open, and make eye contact. Walk with purpose, whether you're heading to a meeting or just crossing the room. When you're confident in yourself, people notice. It's as if you're saying, "I belong here," without uttering a word. Self-awareness is another powerful tool for building presence. Being aware of your strengths, but also your weaknesses, allows you to carry yourself with humility and authenticity. When you know who you are, you won't feel the need to pretend or put on a show. People are naturally drawn to those who are real. So be honest with yourself and let that reflect in your interactions. Self-aware people often radiate a quiet confidence that others respect and remember. The next step to creating a memorable presence is actually to listen. When you're genuinely interested in others, they feel valued, and they're more likely to remember you. This goes beyond just hearing what people are saying. It's about being fully engaged. Put away your phone, make eye contact, and ask questions that show you care about what they have to say. When you're the person who listens, you automatically stand out because you make people feel seen and heard. Nonverbal communication is key when it comes to presence. Your body language can say so much more than words. Make sure to smile, nod when you're listening, and use hand gestures naturally. Open, relaxed body language signals that you're approachable and confident. Small touches like a firm handshake or maintaining comfortable eye contact show warmth and poise. People are more likely to remember you when you communicate not just with words, but with a calm and inviting presence. Finally, to truly stand out, embrace your unique qualities. Whether it's a passion, a skill, or a unique perspective, let it shine. Maybe you have a knack for storytelling, or you're passionate about a cause. Whatever it is, don't hide it. Sharing your unique qualities shows that you're comfortable being yourself, and it adds depth to your presence. People are drawn to authenticity, and when you highlight what makes you different, you become memorable in a way that's unique to you. In the end, highlighting your presence is less about what you say or do, and more about how you make people feel. Start with confidence, cultivate self-awareness, show genuine interest in others, use open body language, and embrace your uniqueness. These small shifts can make a big impact. Remember, presence isn't about taking up space. It's about creating a meaningful impression. So the next time you're around someone you want to impress, follow these steps and trust in yourself. Your presence will do the rest.